Welcome to a home full of character, charm, history, and modern updates in a fantastic location. Step inside and you're greeted by a spacious living room with beautiful natural light and plenty of room to relax or entertain. The floor plan flows into the dining area and kitchen, where you'll find ample cabinetry, counter space, and everything you need for easy everyday living. This home offers 5 comfortable bedrooms, 3 well-maintained bathrooms, and thoughtful touches throughout. This home is full of details with its wrought iron banisters, rich woodwork, and style that's uniquely its own. The basement provides living space, extra storage, or the potential for a hobby space or rec room. You can also find sliding door access onto the patio. Outside, the backyard is perfect for enjoying the outdoors, whether you're hosting summer gatherings or simply relaxing on the patio. The attached garage adds convenient parking and storage. Located near schools, parks, and shopping, this home combines classic style with everyday practicality. If you're looking for a move-in ready home in a desirable Fort Wayne neighborhood, this gem is the one to see. Call Jenny Harris Steele for all the details.